So this is where I'm staying. This is the common area. Let's start over here. There's a TV in here, refrigerator, a desk where you can work and look out into a nice city here. We're heading south. That's Brickfield. In that direction over there is Dua Sentral. That's a mall, like an 8-tier mall. And there's a supermarket there, which is pretty convenient. So a walk over down there is about 15 minutes. So you have your couch here, a little kitchen area here, hot plate, a kettle, microwave, sink here. This is here's one bedroom. This is a queen size bed. Again, area, closet here. Again, you can look out the window here. We're on the very far end. That's a commercial building next door. And then there's a washing machine here. Nice sink, a shower, a bathroom here, and a shower over there. So for all the units, there are also the rain shower up there. Here's a little mirror over here. So one thing I like about this unit is that it actually disguises. So this particular wall, you don't really notice it, but you can actually open it. And wow, there's another bedroom here. So there's 2 bedrooms over here. I love this room because of the ceiling to floor window. There's also a great space for a desk. Again, every single room seems to have a TV. So let's take a look over here. Beautiful here. So again, heading south, and I love the area. I mean, down there's a bunch of Hindu temples there, and then there's a nice little community down there too. Indian, some Chinese, Malay. Again, some commercial area over there with Dua Sentral, the mall, and then down further is Brickfields again. And again, you see this. What does that mean? It means that there's another door here. I love these sliding doors. And then here's the bathroom. Okay, so 2 sinks. Again, there's a little closet over here. Shower over here, again with the rain shower above too, an optional there. And then in this room also there's a tub. I guess I'll actually need to maybe turn on the lights. But yeah, so again, a tub here, 2 sinks, a shower, a closet. But this is a really spacious area. This 2-bedroom unit. Actually, this is a 3-bed unit. That's all connected. It's a suite. But this particular area seems very spacious. It's very comfortable. Again, great place to do work here too. And here is the common area again. TV, place to hang out here. And then the kitchen area where you just have a nice counter over here. But again, nice, very spacious place to hang out in Kuala Lumpur. And there you have it. So that is the a view of where I'm staying, and hope you enjoy that. And hopefully there will be many, many adventures in Kuala Lumpur. See you.